to this introduction to tagxedo.com, a web tool for creating completely custom word clouds. Although there are several other word cloud creators, I have found the greatest versatility with tagxedo and have had great success with students creating really interesting pieces with it to illustrate their thoughts in a visual manner. Before navigating to tagxedo, it's a good idea to have an idea of what you want the piece to look like in terms of the shape or picture, and also what text you would like to use for the word cloud. If you think you will want a custom shape, then you should find the image in advance and save it to your computer. Simple shapes work the best. If the picture is too busy, the word cloud doesn't show up well in it. The next step is to open a browser and navigate to tagxedo.com. Click the highlighted Start Now on the right side of the screen, or click Create on the top right. A sample word cloud will pop up. On the left side, there is a menu that you can progress through for each aspect of the appearance. Although the creator has a great deal of control, the default settings also work very well. The first option on the menu is Load. This is where you will copy or type the text you want to use for your word cloud. You may also copy in a web page and let tagxedo copy all the website's text. When finished, click Submit. I'm going to select the text of this video. And when it's finished, it'll pop back up for you. Oh, there it is. The next set of options are the respins. These allow the creator to test other colors, orientations, fonts, etc., and see what they will look like with your text. So here I can spin the color. I can change the theme, and if I want to see a whole menu of themes, I can go here. Let's go with this theme. I could change the font. I can change the orientation of the words or the layout. And under Shape, under Options, Shape, I can choose a picture. I'm going to choose the apple. You may also choose your own image by clicking Add Image. This will prompt you to browse for your image. When selected, it will appear and you will click Accept. You may need to make some adjustments to get it to look the way you want it. These adjustments pop up on the first screen you see when you have loaded your custom picture. For now, I'll keep the apple. Finally, when you are satisfied with your creation, click Save on the left side. A number of options will appear. You can save your work in many different formats, from JPEG to HTML to URL. I suggest saving it in several ways and copying this into a Word document. When you have closed this particular word cloud, you will not be able to find it again if you haven't saved it outside the tagxedo program. So under Web, give it a title. And the comment doesn't need to be very long. And when you click Submit here, now you're ready to copy the URL or the HTML for use in other types of documents. One of the great benefits of using tagxedo is that the creator has a great deal of creative control over the design of the word cloud, including the shape itself. There are a good number of default shapes available within tagxedo also, but the ability to use your own picture means you can customize it to the theme of your work. One drawback of the tool is that it is not necessarily intuitive to use. So if you want to have students use this tool, you will probably need to teach them some basics first, or have them locate a tutorial online. Second, it is not possible to save your designs within the website, so it is very important to save the links and the code in another location for future use. I usually save it in a Word document and title it so that I can find it easily if I need it again. Basically, in an educational setting, this tool's greatest use is for a student's artistic expression of text and thought. Tagxedo pieces are a great addition to a student's digital portfolio also. For example, I have asked students to read a section of the Iliad and write a list of what they considered 50 important words. They paired their text with an image that they had selected to exemplify their passage, and when they had created it, they pasted the HTML into their digital portfolio page. So tagxedo is a versatile word cloud creator which allows students to have a great deal of creative control and can be used in a variety of formats for many different student uses. Why not try using tagxedo the next time students have a writing project to let them express their thoughts visually as well as in text?